welcome to Bunny's Kitchen. Today we're going to do grilled prawns. This fat, juicy prawns. I got it from Geylang Serai Market for only $17. 1 kilo $17 is a very good deal. So I'm going to make juicy, yummy grilled prawns. Let's look at the ingredients and how to prepare. We are now going to butterfly the prawns. Cassidy is going to help me to show everyone how to butterfly the prawns. Come Cassidy, let's butterfly the prawns for everybody. Okay, you have to have a sharp knife. Place the prawn flat down the chopping board and cut it through. Okay, we have butterflied the prawns. Okay, we're going to clean the innards. If you don't clean, the sandy feeling will be there, so we're going to clean it up. Okay. We have also cut through the head a bit. Okay, clean up the dirt. Okay, then after that we need to, finally we'll wash it before we do the stuffing. Okay, let's clean the rest of the prawns and we'll come back to you. Okay, we have chopped up some chili padi, bird's eye chili for the spiciness. It's about, how many chili kakak today we have?
4 chili.
4 chilies, okay. We have
green.
4 green and red chili padi. Okay, for the spiciness. Now we are chopping up 6 garlics. Okay, we are chopping up finely. Now we have 2 stalks of spring onion. We are also going to chop it slightly. Okay, now we have 200 grams of butter. We are going to add in all the chopped ingredients together with the butter and mix it well. Come kakak, help me with adding in the garlic. The chili. As well as this spring onions. Now we need to combine the butter and all these ingredients well. Okay, we have mixed all the ingredients well with the butter. Now we're going to add in freshly ground black pepper. Give it about 3 dashes. Mix it well. We're now going to add this into our butterfly prawns. Okay, we are going to start stuffing the butterfly prawns with the butter. Then we are going to put in mozzarella cheese. So if you prefer cheddar, you can put in cheddar, but for me mozzarella works well, so I'm just going to put in mozzarella. Then we're going to lay it in the grill pan. Okay, let's do the rest of the prawns and we'll come back to you. Our prawns are all ready. We are now going to grill it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes because prawn cooks very fast. Once the color changes and the cheese melts, we will take the prawns out. Okay, later on we'll show you how the prawn looks. Have a good day. Keep subscribing to Bunny's Kitchen and happy cooking. Stay safe.